Next up is the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, Matador red and India ivory, great color.
Yeah.
Over red and black interior, great color. One family owned since new.
Amazing.
How about that? With the 283 cubic inch 4-barrel and a Power Glide 2-speed automatic. It has a little Liberty, Willwood power front disc brakes, and show ready, though. I mean, this car,
it's beautiful.
It's really a nice car and really well done. If you get a chance, if you're looking for one of those, a Tri-5 Chevy, it's one that you definitely should put on your list.